Imagine if you could drink seawater. QuenchSea is primarily developed to help make an impact on the lives of people with no access to clean water. We are trying to reach economies of scale to reduce the costs to donate and distribute 100 million QuenchSea units by 2027. QuenchSea is a groundbreaking, low-cost, portable, manually powered device that instantly turns seawater into drinkable fresh water. QuenchSea is a revolutionary technology that combines a unique hydraulic system, triple pre-filtration, and a small reverse osmosis membrane to turn seawater into fresh water. Be prepared for any emergency. At sea or on the coast, convert seawater into clean, fresh drinking water instantly. QuenchSea can be a vital lifeline, offering emergency access to clean water in the worst-case scenario. Only manual operation is needed to produce above 2 liters of fresh drinking water in an hour. We are a team gathered from all corners of the world with diverse backgrounds and experiences, with one mission in mind: to make a global impact, to change the status quo, to help solve one of the biggest challenges of our time: access to clean, fresh water. We pledge to impact 1 billion people by 2027. Buy, donate, or support. Join the pledge. Join us on our journey.